Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video we'll be doing some curry turkey drumsticks. And for this recipe we're going to start off with our cleaned, drained and dried turkey drumsticks. So this is what we have here, and to this I'm going to go in with some olive oil, some curry powder, garlic powder, a little bit of smoked paprika. I also have green seasoning here, salt, black pepper, and I'll also be using some better than bouillon seasoning. I will also be going with just a little bit of cumin powder, the ground cumin. Let's get started with the recipe. So I just went in with that salt and black pepper, and in here I have my ground allspice berries. I'm going to be adding it to this. I'm starting off with my garlic powder. Now this is the fine garlic powder. Curry powder. This is a mix of Better Pack and Chief's curry powder. It's the best combination in my opinion. Just a little bit of smoked paprika and a dash of cumin. It really brings out those curry flavors. And of course our green seasoning, better than bouillon seasoning. And I also have a small piece of ginger that I'll be grating and adding to here. Next I'm just adding some fresh thyme and a little rosemary as well. And next I'm just going to mix it all together. And this is how it is looking, all seasoned. I am going to cover it with plastic wrap. I'm going to have it marinate for about an hour or two. Now, if you can allow it to marinate overnight, that's even better. And I'll see you guys when it's time for cooking. And now it's time for cooking. So we're going to start with some coconut oil. I picked this up from Sam's Club. And once the coconut oil is melted, I will be adding some curry powder. And we're just going to allow that to toast before we go ahead and add the pieces of our meat. And now the curry is toasting. Now my heat is on medium to low. You don't want it too high. You don't want your curry to burn. While they may call it burning curry, it's more like a toast. Now that my curry is toasted, I like to go in with just some green seasoning. And then I go in with just a little bit of water. And I use that to make a slurry. And now just a little bit of water. Next, we're going to start to go in with the pieces of that turkey drumstick. Now we can start to flip them over. And now the same bowl I had it marinated in, I went ahead and added some hot water. And we're going to pour it right into. And I went in, I'm just going in with some onion, garlic, bell peppers. I'm also going to add some scallion. I have some fresh thyme in there as well. And last, I'm going in with some potato. Now we call Irish potato. I also added a few pieces of carrot in there as well. I did allow it to simmer for 30 to 45 minutes, and that is based on your meat. So you're going to be testing to see how soft it is as you go along with the cooking process. And this is how it looks in the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.